On May 26, 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover captured one of its sharpest panoramas ever from Mars's Falbreen site, revealing float rocks, sand ripples, and hills 40 miles away. Reported by NASA on August 6th, this stunning vista brings us closer to human exploration of the red planet. Join us to explore this Martian masterpiece and its secrets. Perseverance's Mastcam-Z camera, operated by Arizona State University, stitched together 96 images on Sol 1516 to create this jaw-dropping panorama at Falbreen per NASA. The enhanced color version shows a deceptively blue sky, while the natural reddish hue reveals clear, dust-free skies. Visible are a float rock atop a sand ripple, an olivine-rich geologic boundary, and hills 40 miles away per JPL. For U.S. viewers, this is a proud moment. NASA's $2.7 billion Perseverance mission, launched in 2020, continues to deliver, with JPL and ASU leading the charge. The float rock, likely moved by wind or a landslide, hints at Mars's dynamic past, while the geologic boundary marks some of the oldest terrain Perseverance has explored, possibly predating Jezero crater per NASA. At Falbreen, Perseverance drilled its 43rd abrasion patch on May 22, 2025, exposing fresh rock for analysis per NASA. This 2-inch patch, studied with arm-mounted instruments, helps scientists probe Mars's ancient geology, possibly older than Jezero's 3.8 billion-year-old floor, per Science News. The boundary between olivine-rich and clay-bearing rocks suggests a complex history, maybe tied to water, per ASU. For U.S. space fans, this ties to NASA's Artemis program, preparing for human Mars missions by 2035 per NASA. The clear skies at Falbreen, rare due to Mars's dust storms, let us see 40 miles, offering a preview of what astronauts might witness. But challenges remain. Perseverance's sample return mission, costing $11 billion, faces budget scrutiny, per Space News. Perseverance's work at Falbreen, part of NASA's $2.4 billion Mars exploration program, builds the case for human missions, per JPL. Its 43 core samples, stored in titanium tubes, could reveal if Mars ever hosted life, but budget cuts threaten the $11 billion sample return, per Space News. For U.S. taxpayers, NASA's $24.8 billion budget supports 18,000 jobs per NASA, making these discoveries a national win. For students, programs like NASA's Space Grant, funding 1,200 U.S. undergrads annually per NASA, inspire careers in planetary science. By 2035, Artemis IV could test Mars tech on the Moon, per NASA. But dust storms and radiation, per MIT, pose risks for future explorers. Perseverance's clear vistas show what's possible if we keep pushing. Perseverance's Falbreen panorama, captured May 26, 2025 and shared August 6th, offers a crystal-clear view of Mars's ancient terrain, paving the way for human exploration. From float rocks to geologic clues, NASA's pushing boundaries. Visit nasa.gov for more, and share your Mars dreams with #MarsPanorama on X. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more space updates. What would you explore on Mars? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and let's aim for the red planet.